Sleep is often treated as optional, something we sacrifice to be productive, successful, or disciplined. We praise early mornings, long nights, and pushing through exhaustion as signs of strength. But beneath that cultural mindset lies a quiet truth. Sleep is not rest, it is active biological maintenance, and without it, nothing in the human body works properly. Before we go deeper, let us know in the comments, do you feel like you get enough sleep, or is it the first thing you give up? And if you enjoy understanding the hidden systems that keep your body and mind functioning, make sure to subscribe. When you sleep, your body doesn't shut down, it switches modes. Your brain enters a highly active state where it performs tasks that are impossible while you're awake. Memories are consolidated, emotional experiences are processed, and unnecessary neural connections are pruned away. This is how learning sticks. Without enough sleep, information never fully moves from short-term storage into long-term memory. At the same time, your brain is literally cleaning itself. During deep sleep, a system called the glymphatic system flushes out metabolic waste that builds up during the day. These waste products include proteins linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Sleep deprivation doesn't just make you tired, it allows harmful byproducts to accumulate inside your brain. Sleep also regulates emotion far more than most people realize. A lack of sleep weakens the connection between the rational parts of the brain and the emotional centers. This is why even small problems feel overwhelming when you're tired, why anxiety spikes, and why mood swings become harder to control. Poor sleep doesn't just affect how you feel, it alters how you perceive reality. Your immune system depends on sleep as well. During sleep, your body releases proteins that help fight infection and inflammation. Even short periods of sleep deprivation reduce your ability to fend off viruses and recover from illness. This is why people who sleep less are more likely to get sick and take longer to heal. Metabolism is another hidden casualty. Sleep plays a key role in regulating hunger hormones. When you don't sleep enough, the hormone that signals fullness decreases, while the hormone that triggers hunger increases. This pushes the body toward overeating and weight gain, regardless of diet quality. But also, chronic sleep deprivation disrupts blood sugar regulation, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. What makes sleep especially underrated is that the damage is subtle at first. You don't collapse immediately. Instead, reaction times slow, judgment weakens, and decision-making deteriorates. Studies have shown that being awake for long periods can impair cognitive function in ways similar to alcohol intoxication. Yet society treats exhaustion as acceptable, even admirable. Modern life makes this worse. Artificial light, screens, irregular schedules, and constant stimulation confuse the body's internal clock. Your circadian rhythm evolved to follow sunlight, not notifications. When that rhythm is disrupted, sleep quality declines even if total sleep time stays the same. The most dangerous myth about sleep is that you can catch up later. While short naps help, sleep debt cannot be fully repaid. Chronic deprivation leaves lasting effects on brain structure, cardiovascular health, and lifespan. Sleep isn't something you store, it's something you must renew daily. Perhaps the most important role of sleep is that it acts as a multiplier. Everything you do while awake, learning, training, healing, thinking, works better when sleep is adequate. Without it, effort produces diminishing returns. You can work harder, but you become less effective. Sleep is not laziness, it's not wasted time, it's not optional, it is the foundation upon which every other system depends. And the reason sleep is so underrated is simple: when it's working, you don't notice it, but when it's missing, everything quietly begins to fail. And this is why sleep is the most underrated human function.